Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to easily change the time zone on a Windows 11 computer. Whether you have moved to a different region or need to adjust your system clock for work or travel, this video will guide you through the process quickly and clearly. First, move your cursor to the Start icon at the bottom and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Settings to open the Windows 11 Settings panel. Next, in the Settings window, click on Time and Language. Once you are in Time and Language, select Date and Time from the options on the right-hand side. Then, scroll down to find the Time Zone section. Click on the drop-down menu next to Time Zone and select the time zone you want from the list. Windows will automatically update your system clock based on the selection you made. Finally, make sure that the Set Time Automatically option is enabled. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Windows tips and tricks.